All right, I'm finally back here. Gaucho Pie Co. Argentinian specialty. Empanadas. This area, I'm not sure exactly what area this is. That is Geary Avenue. I'll post the name of this street. I don't come up in this neighborhood often, but I was here a couple of days ago. They were closed because they're on fall and winter hours. Just Thursdays, Fridays. Let's see. Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And they're closed Sunday to Wednesday for this season. I am gonna finally go in and so I warmed up. So I got 2 of each. I think have 8 different types here going. No, 4 different types. All right, so we got 4 empanadas. One is mushroom. So the other one is 2 types of. One's with beef and peppers. The other one, I don't even remember what I got, but we'll figure it out once we bite into them. They're pretty. Okay, here we go. Gotta put the sauce. This could be the mushroom. Chimichurri sauce. Nice flavors in the chimichurri, like perky flavor. It's hard to explain. It's cold, the sauce, so warm and cold. So it looks like mushroom and onions. Okay. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I want to taste them, go through them all. It's so pretty. So $3.75 for these. I love how they close them up. Okay, so the pastry part is very nice. Nice texture. Nice texture. It's not salty. It's perfect flavor. You don't need to add the salt. I love like a pie crust. One of them is chorizo. So yeah, so one of them is chorizo and the other two has beef in it. One with peppers. Can't remember. The other one said, I think the other one is beef and egg and something. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so let's bite into these. Let's try another sauce. Okay, so we have chimney nasty sauce, and not so nasty sauce. Let's go not so nasty sauce. Yeah, it's spicy, but not like, oh yeah. There's a heat to it. I think that was the chorizo one, I think. I don't know. I can't tell. Next one. We'll see. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So the pie crust is really nice. It's very good, actually. People are driving in, getting their fix. Okay. The sauce is nice. It's like a salsa sauce. Salsa sauce? What is this called? This is a chimney nasty sauce, but it's not spicy. Very good. This one is probably with the red pepper. Yeah. Beef with red pepper. Take a bite. It's good. This sauce is good. Really good. Okay. It's like a work of art. I really like the pie crust. I'm afraid to try the other one. Nasty sauce. Which one was it? That had a real kick. Not so nasty sauce. Still had a good kick. I think, oh, the nasty sauce is made with Scotch bonnet. And this one has peppers too. They're all good. Should I try the nasty? Let's try nasty sauce. Scotch bonnet. I can feel the hairs curl up in my nose. Just a little bit. Up. Okay, that didn't do anything, but I'm afraid. But this one's really good. sauce. I'm eating. I will get to the chats after. This one's really good. Very good. Very good. If you're in this neighborhood, come around here and come to Gaucho Pie Company for their empanadas. Very good. Very tasty. And take your bite.